Jumatatu ino ruci-ini nyumba ya mucemanio ya KICC guku Nairobi nikuo maitho na matu ma a Kenya magakorwo President Uhuru Kenyatta akigomithania ambunge a kiama kia Jubilee na ciama iria riu mararutithania wira nacio. President nowe wititie mucemanio ucio wa ambunge kuhetukira ndumiriri iria ambunge acio matumirwo makiurio matikanacererwo.
We will continue with the house cleaning. And some drastic actions will be taken in terms of the whipped members because their places will have to be filled.
Tariki igiri mweri uyu President netitie giikaro o ta giki na ambunge thingira-ini wa iregi kuria mogaruruku maigano na makinyanirio ona gutuika uria aingi metagirira wa kuhamurithio kwa Aden Duale kuma gituro-ini kia mutongoria wa aingi ndwahanikire.
From the committees, so those will be filled in terms of the leadership of the chairs and the vice chairs. And we think even we can go further in terms of populating those committees with like-minded who share our common philosophy.
Ambunge amwe a kiama kia Jubilee makoretwo makiungania irore cia kuhagura Duale na riu marauga ni monganitie irore 126 hari ambunge 179 riri kurabatarania irore 108 cia kuhagura Duale.
We have received signatures 126 of them which we have forwarded to the party leader, just asking that clarification by saying that we wish to propose the removal of the leader of majority.
Any member in our coalition can fit into my shoes.
Ona gutuika aria manyitaga munini wa President Baru marauga irore icio cirerikana ni cia maigirira.
No way on earth that he can be able to get members. We are 160 members of the National Assembly from Jubilee side, 160 plus, and for him to purport to have 126, it is just not possible. It will be a cold day in hell.
The party leader has received more than 130 members who have petitioned him that they have no confidence. We are 179 in parliament. Now, if 130 of your membership petition the leader of the party that they have no confidence in you, you have no business clinging on to that seat. You are a majority leader of who?
Kiriga kia uria Duale ericire gituro-ini kiu mucemanio-ini ucio riu aruna hakuhi a President marauga nikio gikarigicirwo rucio mucemanio-ini.
When the members asked what about the position of the majority leader, he said let's leave that for now. So it was left in abeyance. I think it will be dealt with in the week.
Kiama giki kia Jubilee gikoretwo makombe-ini ma kiuteti kuma o hindi ya ngeithi cia President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kuria mwahu wa munini wa President ubite mwahu wa kiama kiu ureita Jubilee Asili riri naguo mwahu wa President uthiite na mbere kwimathira urugari wa kiuteti na njira ya kuiguithaniria kurutithania wira na ciama cia KANU, CCM na Wiper. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.